Hello, and welcome to Cruising Through Calculus. My name is Alex, and today is a quick review on conjugates. Back in your algebra class, you probably did problems just like these, and your teacher asked you to rationalize the denominator. What that really meant was that you were going to multiply your fraction by the conjugate of the denominator, like this. Now, before I continue, I want to say something about the conjugate. When you multiply by the conjugate, notice that the first piece and the last piece are the same. The only thing that's changed is this middle sign here, and that's it. From this point onwards, you could distribute, multiply, and simplify. So let's do that. Let's start by distributing this 2 here. Now, the bottom is where things get much more interesting. We've got the square root of 3 times the square root of 3. Then we've got the square root of 3 times negative 1. 1 times the square root of 3. And then 1 times negative 1. Here, negative root 3 plus root 3 is 0, so those will cancel out. We'll be left with 3 minus 1, which is 2. Finally, all of these terms here are divisible by 2, so we can divide everything by 2, leaving us with this as our simplified answer. There are a couple of things I want to mention here. When you multiply by the conjugate, these middle pieces will cancel out every single time. So if that doesn't happen to you, that means that you've done something wrong. Another thing I'd like to point out as well is that here we rationalized the denominator. But there's actually nothing wrong with us rationalizing the numerator too. In fact, I could even take this right here, make it a fraction, and then multiply by the conjugate here, like this. There's nothing illegal about me doing this here. I can do that. And actually, if I did do this, and I did all the math, I'd end up right back where we started up here. So you can do it either way. If you found this video helpful, you might consider checking out my website, which is linked in the description below. You'll be brought to Infinity Learning Academy, where you can find Cruising Through Calculus. At Cruising Through Calculus, we have over 100 videos and documents to help you get through your calculus class, including videos for each topic, practice problems, and full video solutions for those practice problems. I hope to see you there, and together we can cruise through calculus.